Welcome to this school Jotter accessibility briefing. In this short guide, we'll walk you through key areas of web accessibility that every school website should address to meet WCAG compliance standards. Whether you're a content manager, school administrator, or technical lead, understanding these best practices will help you ensure your website is inclusive for all users, especially those who rely on screen readers, keyboard navigation, or other assistive technologies. Let's dive into the essentials of accessible web design. Web accessibility compliance through WCAG guidelines requires attention to several critical areas that impact how users interact with websites. Understanding these common issues and their solutions helps create more inclusive digital experiences for all users, including those who rely on assistive technologies. Keyboard navigation stands as a foundational requirement for accessibility compliance. Websites must be fully operational without a mouse, enabling users to navigate through all interactive elements using keyboard controls alone. For effective keyboard navigation throughout a website, specific functionalities must be supported. Page navigation using Tab Shift plus Tab moves through interactive elements like buttons, links, and form fields. Page scrolling is managed via arrow keys, page up, down, and home end keys. Element activation occurs through Enter and Space keys, with automatic menu closing after selection and proper focus management throughout the navigation process. The comprehensive navigation system includes specific keyboard combinations. Tab and Shift plus Tab move between menu items, while arrow keys navigate different menu levels and sub-menus. Home and End keys provide quick access to first and last items within menus, and Enter or Space activates selections. The Escape key serves to close submenus and return focus to parent items. This systematic approach ensures that keyboard-dependent users can access all website functionality efficiently. Alternative text implementation represents another crucial accessibility component. Historical limitations prevented adding alt text to elements like slideshows, images, and awards, creating barriers for screen reader users. While this technical limitation has been resolved in current versions, the solution isn't retroactive. Content managers must manually update existing content with appropriate alt text. The quality of alt text matters significantly. Instead of vague descriptions like "picture of a cat," effective alt text provides specific context, such as a black cat curled up on a red blanket, or a black cat sitting on a windowsill. This detailed approach ensures screen reader users receive meaningful information about visual content. Text contrast presents ongoing challenges, with many website themes featuring insufficient contrast between text and background colors. While direct theme modification often isn't possible, the accessibility plugin offers a high contrast mode as an effective workaround. Content managers can utilize the WCAG University contrast checking tool to verify appropriate contrast levels and ensure readability for all users. Third-party integration introduces additional complexity to accessibility compliance. Social media plugins from platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and X, formerly Twitter, can inject code that doesn't meet accessibility standards, potentially compromising a website's overall WCAG compliance score. This challenge requires careful consideration when incorporating external content. These accessibility considerations extend beyond mere technical compliance. They're fundamental to creating an inclusive web environment that serves all users effectively, regardless of their browsing methods or assistive technology requirements. Regular testing and updates using the provided tools help maintain compliance and improve the overall user experience. Content managers must stay vigilant in maintaining these standards, particularly when adding new content or updating existing materials. To wrap up, accessibility is not just a technical requirement, it's a commitment to inclusivity. From supporting full keyboard navigation and meaningful alt text, to ensuring strong text contrast and carefully managing third-party integrations, each detail matters. By following WCAG guidelines and making use of tools like contrast checkers and the accessibility plugin, school Jotter users can create better digital experiences for everyone. Remember, maintaining accessibility is an ongoing process. Keep testing, keep improving, and above all, keep your users in mind. Thanks for listening. You can learn more at schooljotter.com.